Hey guys, welcome to Soulful Adventures. So let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is for Leo. So Leos being a fire energy and Virgos being an earth energy. Let's see how Virgos season is going to affect Leos. Right now I'm shuffling cards for you. So this is a tarot card reading for Leos for the month of September 2020. Okay. So let's draw some cards for Leos. Two of Wands, the first card. Cutting it. Second one. The third card. Great. The fourth one. The fifth card. Wow, I'm loving this one. And the sixth card. Great Leos. So let's see the reading for Leos for the month of September 2020. And the first card that has been drawn for Leos, if it's clear to you, it's Three of Wands. Now, generally Three of Wands is a card of travel. Yes. So definitely if some Leos are planning to travel a short journey or a long journey, definitely maybe because of this unlock now it is possible, very much possible. And if not travel, this is the card of surveying. It is a card of evaluating. So Leos, you are ready to pound. You are ready with your plan. But right now you are studying the environment. You are studying what are the circumstances, how it would affect you. Okay, you are studying, you are surveying, you are evaluating the chances of getting success, you are evaluating the chances of failures, you are evaluating many things at a time, assessing, you are surveying the kingdom you want to acquire, how you would create something beautiful. So this is what is your present mentality or present scenario or situation you are going through. You are studying something because you have a plan in mind and you are studying and you are ready. But after the study, after the conclusions, you will execute. So that's what it is about. It can be new business, it can be new job, it can be new love, it can be any new beginning. Okay guys, then what we have, cutting it. The second card is King of Pentacles. Now, King of Pentacles, what a prosperous energy, what a wisdom, what a knowledge this man possesses. So this is a card where this, I can tell you, it's an opportunity, not a challenge for you. So whatever you have studied up until now, whatever you are surveying, okay, Leos, it's going to bring you fruits. Definitely. Yeah. It's going to give you fruits, it's going to make you money. I can tell you, it's the powerful card, it's the energy you need to have. It's a beautiful card, guys. Understand, it's a beautiful card. So it's a prosperous, it's a money attracting card. It's having the wise and the creativity is full of creative cards. So whatever you are planning, whatever business you have planned or whatever job offer you have planned to accept is going to give you success. Then what we have, our third card, and that is Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is a card where there are choices. So definitely when you have made some decision, when you have planned something, there would be many choices. There can be money fluctuations. Okay guys, understand, but make this as your strength. Make a wise choice depending upon your experience, depending upon the survey you were doing earlier. Okay. So please use Two of Pentacles. It can be money confusions. It can be you are juggling between some situations right now. Like which to select, which to choose, what option to go ahead with. Think and choose wisely. Okay. The fourth card is Ten of Swords. Now Ten of Swords is a card where maybe in the August month you have decided enough. I just want to end the toxic energies from my life. I want to end this toxic relationship. I want to end this toxic negativity, the toxic traits, the toxic people from my life, or the toxic ideas which are in my mind. I just want to end them and start a new beginning. And that's the reason you have decided, planned something in the month of August, because that was a Leo season. And now in a Virgo season, you are studying and surveying what can be done. Okay, and that's going to bring you this success, King of Pentacles success, guys. Okay, then we have a fifth card, and that's the Hermit. So let me tell you, the Hermit is a card when you need to find a solitude. It's a Virgo card. What's better than a Virgo card in a Virgo season? So it is giving you a message in near future, maybe by end of September, you will realize that you need to sit in solitude. You need to sit and practice meditation, yoga. You need to go to yourself, to find yourself, to make connection with your own soul, to find out your soulmate. So first you need to self-protect yourself, self-protect your energies. You need to concentrate on self-love, guys. Leos, you are a generous heart people. You tend to give so much that at one point you may feel empty. So please replenish yourself in this month. Okay, that's the message. And the final outcome we have is Six of Cups. So this is a childhood energy. Maybe this is the month where you may meet your childhood friends. You may have some childhood memories flashing around, or someone from your childhood may come to meet you. It can be your love. It can also represent sometimes that ex can return to you. But I feel when the Leo have ended the chapter in the past, they are not going to start again. Leos are not the people who like to go ahead and start a finished business. They never keep anything unfinished. That they end up everything and start a new beginning without any regrets. So I don't feel that X is coming back to you and you are going back to X, but these are the childhood memories and childhood friends who are meeting you. I hope you would enjoy this total month, Leos. After so much struggle till Leo month, I completely understand. But yes, Virgo season is going to bless you with lots and lots of happiness. With this, we would be meeting in our next zodiac tarot reading for October month for Libra season. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.